Just one ticket, please. Thanks a lot. Okay, 20 euros. Not super cheap, but hey, we're not in Athens often. So considering 45 minutes ago, we were doubting whether or not it would even make sense to come. Super happy that we did. The storm has made it even more impressive. Of course, because this is the god of the storms and the sea. But the clouds at the moment for the background of the temple is quite insane. The Greeks considered Poseidon to be the master of the sea. Given the importance to Athens of trade by sea and the significance of its navy in its creation and survival during the 5th century, Poseidon was an extremely important god to the Athenians. They say when Poseidon lost Athens to Athena, he didn't rage, he smiled. But the people, afraid of Poseidon's wrath, built him a temple high on the hill, so thunder would watch over them, not strike.